Hello and welcome to my channel. I am DK Mina from KB4 Jaipur. Today we will talk about our chapter number 7 from the window of class 4th EBS. This chapter is the continuous part of our last chapter, Omna's journey. On that chapter, we see that Omna is writing a diary for her friend because she could not come to this trip because her leg was fractured. Omna started her journey on 16th May by train from Ahmedabad, and today is the second day of her journey, and today's date is 17th May and the time is 7:30. So Omna was in train. It is morning time. It was the morning, and Omna was saying that last night I went to sleep early. Omana went to sleep early in that night. It was too dark to see anything outside. Outside was very dark and nothing can be seen. When the train stopped early in this morning, I woke up. It was Madgaon. The Omna was saying that when I woke up, it was Madgaon railway station because it was written on the platform. There is a board on the platform. On that board, the name of platform was written. जब भी आप कहीं भी किसी भी स्टेशन पर जाओगे तो आपको इस तरीके का एक येलो बोर्ड दिखेगा और उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे उस बोर्ड पे उस प्लेटफॉर्म का नाम लिखा रहेगा जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे दैट मीन्स दिस रेलवे स्टेशन पे आपको उसका पर्टिकुलर नाम लिखा मिलेगा. तो अप्पा सेड दैट वी वर गोइंग थ्रू द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. अप्पा सेइंग दैट वी आर गोइंग थ्रू द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. इन दिस मैप यू कैन सी इन द रेड डॉट that is Goa, and Goa is here. And Omna started her journey from Gujarat, and she comes through the Maharashtra, then Goa, then she reached her destination. We got off the station and had some hot tea and filled out water bottle. They filled their water bottle, and because each and every station you will find there will be water points, you can fill your water bottles from there, and you can take your lunch and breakfast also. The train started again. I find it difficult to describe the scenes outside, and it is so difficult. I am facing so difficulties to find out to define the each and every scene of outside. There are so many green fields and many tall trees you can see in this picture, and fields with red soil and green crops or red soils also. They are hills covered with trees. This scene was very interesting. Sometimes I can see small pond and far away hill moors water, and sometimes I can see small ponds and hills or more water. I can't make out if it is a river or the sea. And there is a cooler and not so dry as in Ahmedabad. The air was so cooler, and the train passed a level crossing. People are waiting. In this picture you can see there is a level crossing and people are waiting both sides, and the people are standing both sides to cross the level crossing, but the train was going from there. That's why they are waiting here. There are full of people, car, trucks, auto rickshaws, car, trucks, and so many type of vehicles are also there in both sides. And in this picture you can see these vehicles. They are standing outside of the railway crossing because the train is going on. Bars of the level crossing, how dangerous this level crossing is very dangerous because you can see the vehicles, though so much smog is here, and because why this smog was here, because the peoples are not switching off their engine while standing. One person is crossing the road, and the gate is closed, so it is very dangerous to cross the road when it is closed. It can be fatal. ये आपकी जान भी ले सकता है. हमें क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए. Let's see level crossing. What is level crossing? A place where a railway line crosses a road at the same level. You can see in this picture a level crossing is there, and people are waiting both sides. When this train will go, they will cross the road. Then train Train carriages are the compartment of the train which has sitting and sleeping facilities. There is a picture of train compartment. Now some questions. What was the difference in the scenes from the window of the train on the first day and on the second day? And second day और first day के scene में क्या अंतर था जो ओमना ने देखे थे? The first day was fields were dry and brown, but on the second day of our journey, the fields were fields with red soil and hills covered with trees. Now next question. Omana saw many kind of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run on diesel or petrol? And there are many vehicles, and some vehicles run with petrol and some vehicles run with diesel. And because buses, trucks, and a few cars run on diesel, while scooters, cars, motors, cycles, etc. run on petrol. These vehicles run some with diesel and some with petrol. They are running. So when it is not used, we switch off our vehicle. Why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicle at the level crossing? Why was there so much noise and smoke? Because some people are standing there and they are not switching off their engines of their vehicle even while waiting at the railway crossing. So we should switch off our vehicle when we are waiting at railway crossing or any other place. Now next question, what can we do to reduce noise of the vehicle and save petrol and diesel? What can we do? We should switch off our engine when we are waiting at railway crossing or at other place. जब भी हम कहीं पे किसी प्लेस पे बैठे हुए हो तो अपना स्विच ऑफ कर लेना चाहिए हमें, because it reduce noise and save our petrol and diesel. Sometimes people cross the track even when the crossing is closed. What do you feel about this? What do you feel about this when the people cross the track? We should not cross the track when it is closed. So people should not cross the railway track while the crossing is closed. It may be fatal. No one should take such a risk. हमें ऐसी रिस्क बिल्कुल भी नहीं लेना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट क्रॉस द लेवल क्रॉसिंग व्हेन इट इज़ क्लोज्ड, बिकॉज हमारी यहाँ पे जान भी जा सकती है. बहुत सारे लोग जो कि जब भी ट्रेन का कोई पता नहीं रहता कब तक ट्रेन आती है, तो हमें देखना चाहिए. नाउ नेक्स्ट डे, सॉरी सेम डे at 8:30. Later it was sitting near the window with my eyes closed. Suddenly the sound of the moving train changed. Khud 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 khud. And suddenly I hear that the train sound is changed because the train was running on this bridge. You can see in this video there is the train is going on one bridge. It was very long bridge as the wheels rated as there was no ground, only the track. यानी वो wheels were rattling and beach was sounding because there was no ground. वहाँ पे ground नहीं था क्योंकि वहाँ नीचे river थी और river के ऊपर क्या बना हुआ था, bridge बना हुआ था. इस तरीके से जब bridge को ट्रेन क्रॉस कर रही थी तो उसका साउंड वो खुड़ 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 जैसा वो चेंज हो रहा था. इस तरीके से साउंड डिफरेंट आ रहा था. तो द व्हील्स रेटल्ड एज देयर वॉज नो ग्राउंड. व्हेन आई फर्स्ट लुक डाउन आई फेल्ट ग्रीडी. यानी जब मैंने जस्ट फर्स्ट आई लुक्ड डाउनवर्ड्स आई फेल्ट गिडी. इट वॉज रियली क्वाइट स्कैरी. आई वॉज स्केयर्ड. In another pictures you can see there are two bridges, one and both are on river, and one is iron bridge and another one is there cement bridge. One iron bridge, the train is going on in this bridge and there are iron rods, and so and another bridge, cement bridge is there and there are pillars. This bridge is made up of cement bricks and iron rods, and the iron bridge is only made up of iron rods only. So some vehicles are also going on. Now what is rattling sound of train's vehicle? These are the train's vehicles, and you can see in this picture the train's vehicles are there, and on the downside there is a train rail that is called patri. यानी नीचे जो है उसको हम पटरी बोल सकते हैं, पटरी बोलते हैं, ये भी आयरन की होती है, और व्हील भी है ट्रेन के, वो भी आयरन के होते हैं, इसलिए ये साउंड ज़्यादा करते हैं। और इस ब्रिज में भी आप देख सकते हो कि ये ब्रिज में भी ऐसे ही आयरन लगा रहता है, तो जब आयरन से आयरन टच होता है तो एक ऐसा अलग सा साउंड करता है, खुड़खुड़ सा साउंड लगता है। तो rattling sound of vehicles, the loud sounds trains wheel make when it is moving on a iron bridge. तो bridge you can see in this picture. तो have you seen any bridges and where? क्या आपने कहीं ब्रिज देखे? Yes. If you have seen, you can write. Have you ever crossed a bridge? Yes or no? You ever cross a cement bridge or iron bridge? You may write. Now, what was the bridge built over? The bridge built over river. When did you see below the bridge? I saw some boats. And what did you see below the bridge? And find out why bridges are made. The bridges are made for people to cross one place to another. Now on the same day, it is 11:30, and after breakfast I climbed on the upper berth to read my comics. And she was saying that I climbed on the upper berth and started reading my comics, that is one type of book. It was bright and sunny outside, and outside there was a bright and sunny day, and suddenly everything became dark. Suddenly I saw that everything is become dark. It is also felt a little cold inside, and I was afraid. Then the lights in the train comes on. The train's lights also switch on, but outside it was very dark. And somebody said, we have entered a tunnel. And the somebody saying that we have entered the tunnel. In this picture you can see there is a tunnel, and train is entering in this tunnel. And when the train is inside in this tunnel, and outside there is dark, and inside if you are switching on your tube lights or lights, there may be light, and goes right. The tunnel seems to go on, and then just as suddenly we were in daylight again. When the tunnel is removed, यानी टनल समाप्त हो गई थी, तब वो उस तरीके से हमें बिल्कुल सनलाइट जैसा ही पैसा ही क्रॉस हो गया. अब्बा explained that we were on the other side of the mountain. And Abba was saying that we crossed the tunnel, we are the other side of mountain. It is a pass built through a hill. Have you ever been through a tunnel? Yes, I have been through a tunnel. I used to feel nervous, but not anymore, because I know it is all safe. The tunnels are safe. Now the route from Goa to Kerala has a total of 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? Because it was a long route, and it has many mountains and rivers, and because of there were so many tunnels and bridges. You can see she started journey from Gujarat and comes through Maharashtra, then Goa, then Karnataka, and then she will reach to the Kerala. And it is very long route. It takes more than 40 hours to reach Kerala from Gujarat. That's why there are many tunnels and bridges, many water bodies and hills, so cross them to reach Kerala. And it is afternoon time. The time was 12:15, and Udupi is Karnataka's state. Yani Udupi, it is a Karnataka state, and Karnataka in Kerala, so many dishes are there. There people like idli, dosa, any different type of bananas you can see in this picture. In our state, there are different type of bananas. In other states also other type of bananas. You can see there are banana plants and green fields. Different type of greeneries are there, and we are not having this type of greenery. Amma says that these are paddy fields. These are paddy fields. In this picture you are seeing paddy fields. The house and village look very different. There's house and village are look very different from ours. People's clothes are also different from what we seen in Ahmedabad, and we are wearing different type of clothes, and the peoples of Kerala will wear different type of clothes. So in Ahmedabad or in other Gujarat, the people wear this type of clothes. You can see in this picture, and in Kerala they wear the other type of clothes. You can see in this picture that there are bride and grooms. They are looking gorgeous, and peoples have also got on to the train from different stations, and peoples अपने अपने स्टेशन पे वहाँ पे अपनी ट्रेन से जहाँ पे जिसका स्टेशन पहुँचना था वहाँ आ गया, तो वो वहाँ से उतरने लग गए थे, एंड गॉट ऑफ फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टेशंस, यानी जो लोग हमारे साथ अहमदाबाद से आए थे वो भी अपने अपने स्टेशन पे उतरने लग गए थे. तो यू कैन सी इन दिस मैप वी स्टार्टेड यानी जर्नी फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद एंड रीच टू द कोझिकोड. कोझिकोड इज अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ केरला, यानी वी आर रीचिंग टू द केरला. वी कैन सी इन दिस मैप. Which language do you speak at home? I'll write your own language. On the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omra train went through several states of our country. Find out and list which states, कौन कौन से स्टेट से क्रॉस किया था. The गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, गोवा, कर्नाटका and entered Kerala. Do you ever have coconut water? How do you find it? Discuss. Do you ever have? Yeah, coconut water feels very sweet and refreshing. Now language and language of different states. The Malayalam is the language of Kerala, and Konkani is Goa, Marathi Maharashtra, and Gujarati Gujarat, and Kannada Karnataka. These languages are spoken in different states. Now it is night. We have also started packing up, and it was the time to packing up, and Omna started packing up their luggage. The train will reach Kottayam in about 3 hours, and we are about to reach Kottayam in 3 hours, and that is our last point. We have to get off on Kottayam, and you can see in this picture there these all are Kerala's district. All districts are in Kerala state, and we have to got off at that is Kottayam. Where is Kottayam? Here you can see in this picture Kottayam. And our only 3 hours journey was left, and Kozhikode to Kottayam this train will take 3 hours only. And tonight we will go to Vijayamma's house. We decided that today we will go to our Vijayamma's house, and today we will stay there, and tomorrow we will take the bus that will take us to Amu Amma's village, and tomorrow we will take a bus from there, and it will take to Amu Amma's village, and we will go to Amu Amma's village tomorrow. We all are tired, and after all we have been on the train for 2 days, and they are in train for last 2 days. That's why they all are tired. What a long journey it has been. It was very long journey, यानी ये बहुत लंबी जर्नी थी. तो अब आप देख सकते हो योर मदर्स एंड सिस्टर. योर मदर सिस्टर, व्हाट डू यू कॉल योर मदर सिस्टर? मौसी. एंड आप अलग अलग कुछ बोल सकते हो अपने अपने अकॉर्डिंग. एंड योर मदर्स मदर आई कॉल्ड ग्रैंड मदर. यू कैन राइट वट एवर यू speak or whatever you said. Your father sister, what do you call your father sister? Bua. I call Bua. You can write your own. Your father's mother, दादी. तो इस तरीके से आप अपने रिलेशनशिप और इस तरह मैप वगैरह आप सीख सकते हो और चल सकते हो. कैसा लगा आपको लेक्चर, मेरा लेसन? हाउ वाज द लेसन? एंड गिव अ कमेंट. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.